Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we bring you the topic of seasonal cough and dengue fever, what to do and what not to do. But before getting started, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can keep following our videos on health and well-being. So here we start today's video. Let's first understand seasonal cough and dengue fever in detail so that we can make the right choices for ourselves. Seasonal cough is a type of respiratory illness that is caused by a virus. It usually results in facilitated breathing, a sore throat, and headache. It is common during the fall and winter months and is contagious. And on the other hand, dengue fever is a mosquito-borne disease that is caused by any one of the 4 types of dengue virus. In its most severe form, dengue fever can result in death. Thus, it is very important to take preventive steps to avoid getting this virus. Now that we understand these two ailments, let's move on to discussing what to do and what not to do if you think that you may have either seasonal cough or dengue fever. Regarding seasonal cough, the first thing you must do is to get some rest and plenty of fluids. Besides that, it is important to stay warm and avoid contact with other people suffering from the virus. It is best to stay home from work or school to avoid further spreading the virus. Besides that, if your fever is above 101 degrees Fahrenheit, then you must consult a doctor immediately. And in terms of what not to do, it is best to avoid drinking cold beverages or eating chilled foods when you have a seasonal cough. Doing so will aggravate the situation and may slow down the recovery process. Also, you must strictly avoid drinking alcohol and smoking even if you are feeling better, because both of these practices can worsen the condition and can make the recovery process longer. Now, let's discuss the same topics when it comes to dengue fever. The first thing you should do is to consult a doctor immediately once you start feeling any symptoms of the virus. It is also important to take plenty of rest, consume fluids to prevent dehydration, and take medications to reduce fever. And regarding what not to do, you should avoid taking any medicines without consulting a doctor. Do not attempt to self-medicate or take any over-the-counter medicines without consulting a doctor. It is also important to be aware of mosquito bites and take proper protection, such as wearing full sleeves clothes, using mosquito repellents, and sleeping under mosquito nets. In conclusion, seasonal cough and dengue fever can be effectively managed with the proper diagnosis and treatment. Prevention is also key, so it is important to take preventive measures such as avoiding contaminated air, wearing protective clothing, and reducing exposure to mosquitoes. So, that's it for today. I hope you found this information helpful. Please consult your doctor if you are feeling any symptoms of seasonal cough or dengue fever. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.